Alright guys, welcome to smackbox.org. I'm going to do a quick tutorial as best as I can to give you a quick how-to on tethering your Ubuntu based system, which I'm going to be using Linux Mint here, with your Droid X. Okay, I've done this with the Droid and I'm going to do it now with the Droid X. I just want to clarify that you can do it with the Droid X and there's no problems doing it at all. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna let you know right up front though, there is a couple things here. I'm using a laptop with wireless on it. It's an HP laptop and I have Linux Mint version 9 on here. Okay, I've done this before, so there's going to be a couple things that is not going to happen when I run it through this time. The first time you do this, you will have to be connected online because it's going to have to download some the script that we're going to run is going to have to download some APK files and also some Android files as well. It's I believe it's going to be the SDK files, okay, which is about I think it's what 154K size. So it's not too big, but it's going to have to actually have to download these files, and that's the reason you're going to be online. And after we run through these scripts, you're going to want to turn off your Wi-Fi or LAN, whatever you're connected to. You want to turn that off and then activate the program I'm going to tell you on the phone prior to you trying to get online, because if you have both of them on, you're going to cause some problems and you're not going to be able to really test if you're online or not, obviously. Also, to let you know, after you're done running the tethering on the phone and it's all set up and it's running, you want to go back to Wi-Fi or LAN, however you're connected, Ethernet, you're going to want to probably just reboot. That way you can clear everything off of the computer and disconnect all connections. I've had success with just doing a quick DH client and running that, and it's going to just basically just go ahead and get you a new IP address and everything. And I've had success with that, but sometimes I've found that it's not worth it to go through it. So, alright, so the first thing you need to do is you just go to my site if you want, smackbox.org, type in tethering. Okay, once you type that in, do a quick search. Hopefully you see that, and it's going to come up the post where I originally got from hack5.org, which was Darren on there. He did a quick article on that, which was pretty awesome, and I think it's episode 619. Okay, you can watch his tutorial, which was great, which was on the original Droid, and gave me all the information how to do it. I did an update on 710 where the location where he got the information from, I posted a link to where I believe his name is Shannon V is what he goes by. He actually wrote the script and he updated the script, which is pretty awesome. So you just go ahead and download that. Once you click that, you download it. I'm not going to re-download it because I already have it. You just go ahead and extract it, put it somewhere. I have mine underneath my downloads. You can put it wherever you want. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and open up a terminal. Okay, there's instructions. If you want to extract it first, that's fine. I extract it because I like to see what's in it first. There's a README in there which tells you exactly how to do it. Okay, I recommend just extracting it, reading it. Then you can go ahead and open up a terminal, go into the folder that you extracted. Okay, and you'll see everything you're in there. Let me go ahead and zoom in, make sure you can see what I'm doing here. Alright, so once you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and do sudo, and then you're going to do the install _ droid tether sv.py file. Okay, you're going to go ahead and run that. Once you run that, it's going to go ahead and download all these stuff. I already have it, so it's going to be a lot quicker. Okay, once it's done, it's going to say simply enable the AZ Link service on your Android. Okay, I believe I was prompted on the Android to install the file, but I believe I'm second guessing myself and thinking that it might have just done it automatically. When I did it with my Droid X just now for the first time, I didn't have AZ Link on there, and it was just on my phone. So I really don't think you have to even download it or do anything with AZ Link. Once you go into your phone, you'll see the program AZ Link. It looks like a little bug or cockroach or something right here. You're just going to want to run that, and they tell you to go ahead and activate the service. Okay. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and turn off Wi-Fi. Okay, on my laptop, which is just a little button down there. I click, and it shuts off Wi-Fi. And I'm going to go ahead and activate this. You're going to see status waiting for connection right here. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. What you can do is go into the command line now, or actually you're going to get out of command line. You can go back into your desktop and you're going to see an icon on your desktop here. Okay. It's going to say Droid Tether SV. You're just going to go ahead and run that. It's going to pull up a command line. Okay, box, terminal. Alright, let me move it so you can see it. Alright, it's going to ask you to put in your password. Okay, which is going to be your root password. Okay, once you do that, it's going to say starting the sequence. You're going to go look at your phone here and you're going to see connected to host. Bam. It just got connected. You're going to see bytes coming in and bytes going out. Alright, you know you're connected now. If you look back at the terminal prompt, you're going to see there at the bottom, it's going to say sequence complete. That's what you want to see. Once you see that, you're online. Okay. Alright, we'll go here and open up a new let's open up a new web page. At first it was like it's a little slow because I was on wireless before, so it actually has to find what connection to use. This is what I found out. I thought it wasn't working at first, but it just took a second to initialize because I was on Wi-Fi before. So it's almost like it's looking and saying, what are we using? Once it loads up the first time, then it's fast. It's no problem. We just run test. You can see it comes up with whatever I typed in. Let's go try, hopefully you guys can see. Let me zoom out a little bit here so you can see it. Okay, just go to Droid Life. Okay, .com. It's one of my favorite websites. This guy Keelix, he's awesome over there, man. He's got a lot of good information. You can just go ahead and run that. Type that in Google. I'll let that load up. There it goes. It takes a second. You know, it's a little longer. You're running off of 3G. You're definitely not running on Wi-Fi. But it seems to be pretty quick once everything gets going. It just seems like in the beginning, the laptop actually has to get used to the connection, it seems, or the computer, I should say. We could type in something else here to test out here. I don't know. Let's say Droid forums. Type that in. It's another good site. Bam! It connected pretty quick. Okay, you're already on. So you see, I'm getting the connection. If you look at the phone, I'll show you. There's your bytes received, bytes sent. I'm gonna go ahead and try to browse or move around here and see if you can see the bytes going in and out here. Hopefully, there you go. You should have seen it change. Okay, we'll go ahead and even try to run a YouTube video here, see if there's a video. Actually, we'll run the one I have on the site here, on my site. And you should see the byte going in and out. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, alright, so that's pretty much a quick tutorial of how to do it. That's all really much to it. Okay, we're using 3G, we're using Ubuntu based system, using AZ-Link, and the script that Shannon V here provided from, I got all this from hack5.org, so big shout out to Darren and Shannon from over there, and also Shannon V for providing the script. And if you guys have any questions, just give me a shout on smackbox.org. Hopefully this answers questions. If it can happen on the Droid X, it can happen on any Droid. So far I haven't had a problem. Alright, give me a shout out, man. Peace.